Namaste, myself nutritionist Shomita Biswas from Aster RV Hospital. Today I am going to talk about the diet for the fatty liver disease. So liver disease does not mean that you have to adopt a bland food and you can't live your life at all. It's just only that you have to make some healthy choices and you have to change your lifestyle a bit. If you have fatty liver, basically you have to follow a weight reduction diet, especially if you are obese or overweight, and you have to avoid alcohol. You have to stop completely, and you have to avoid fruit juices and aerated beverages, because all this fructose content of these beverages might get deposited in your liver, and obviously it will convert to fat and finally resulting in fatty liver. So overweight people or obese population, basically they can go for a weight reduction diet. So you have to have small frequent meals rather than having a larger meals at a time. You can go for a small frequent meals. You can eat your food on time. Avoid all packaged food like papad, pickles, namkeen, chips, all these things. So basically, if you are overweight or obese, you can go for a weight reduction diet. Generally, we prescribe high fiber, low carbohydrate diet. You can choose high fiber like whole grains, millets, whole wheat, broken wheat, oats, all of these, rather than choosing the refined ones like refined flour, white rice, and other all ready to eat cereals. So you can choose all of these rather choosing the low fiber carbohydrates, and go for a whole fruits rather than choosing the fruit juices or aerated beverages, because already I said this all cause the fatty liver again. So try to have a healthy lifestyle, healthy balanced diet, rather than going for a normal like fashioned or trendy lifestyle. To live healthy, just follow a live healthy lifestyle that will be helpful for you. Thank you.